Welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, which is that of Monday, the second day of April 2018. My name is Derek. It's also Crypto Day. Everything within your own risk, own reward. But over the last 3 days, even four, price action on Bitcoin has basically went sideways, went flat, pause days, if you will, after a fall from the 18 average of lows at around the about 8,000 level, going down to about 65, 66. And of course, it's just been a few days stabilizing, but it has done such with these movements in here as this 18 is declining. So no rallies have been forming, at least as of yet, to get to that point, the 18 average of lows and at previous support mark. And well, if it's going to correct through time, which is what it's doing, it's got a few more days to go. But any rallies that happen to occur in here will be that of a test. A test in, okay, the down move is over, let's get her finished. Sort of like in here, it had its test, but it failed that move. And thus the result was another leg to the downside. And if this overall area ends up failing below in here, we're going to be looking at just a down move that just had a little bit of breathing time, and the downtrend would continue as, of course, the test with the 18 hasn't come into play. That shortened down the time frame a little bit. And here we have the 400-minute time frame, which, of course, has been in this downtrend, even going back to the 11,500 mark, which had its test in here. Albeit it spent some time within the 18, but as it gave in, decent leg lower, small correction within again, decent, no, a small leg lower, the minimum leg lower really. And then this was its best test that it has had recently on the 18th of March, as the price went from 74 back up to about the 9,000. And of course, this little double top, and the price has been just going steadily down since then. A little bit of small 18 average resistance faced during the end of March, but now the band's flattened out, and key support has been established at around 6,700 and change. So that's going to be the very, very important level, because if any of this gets violated, if it's showing weakness within the price point, then we'd definitely be talking about what this move should be doing, which is a play to 6,000. If it doesn't make it to what it's supposed to, okay, so be it. It'll be barely a higher low over the long-term 6, which is the February lows. And in the reversal of trend, it's got to do what we see in here. Band flatten out, establish resistance, and then break it. It wasn't able to get past this point in here, so it's got to make a move up. And I'm still thinking around the 7,900 when I put in the lines, which indicate key Fibonacci points. 79.61 is the level of resistance I'll be looking for it to make when it is ready to break through where it stands right now. All right then, so yeah, the band is just starting to flatten out within such. Let me just quickly take a look at another coin, and that is SLS. After having a big move to the upside, has had now decent move back down to the 18 average of lows. It's just starting to just flatten this band out with an exceptionally nice higher low right now at this 53 from where it came from before at the 29 handle. So therefore, within this move and the band flattening out, that if the support of 56 gives in, we're going to be looking for price action probably to go down to at least 40. But if this thing is able to hold within this area, maybe show some support at around the 76 handle, breaking out above this resistance could be very interesting. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.